guys, welcome back, and for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and before we start this video, I do want to introduce my YouTube family to my new baby. This is Saint. He's a little kitten. He's so full of energy but loves to cuddle. He wants to go play with his friends. He's like, please get off of me. But I just wanted to show you guys, just in case you've missed it, I absolutely am obsessed with him and I just love him so much. For today, I do want to get into my Denvy inventory room. I mentioned it in my previous video. I wanted to show you guys my little warehouse. That's what I call it. I call it my warehouse room. So that's where I have all my inventory, all my supplies for packaging. That's where I place all my orders. Like literally anything that has to do with Denvy is in that room. And recently, I'll go into that in more details, but I had to switch from one room to the other room because I actually outgrew the first room already in like the first month of opening, which is insane. But I am so happy with all the success and blessing I have received. Like, this is amazing. But anyways, I won't blabber on too much. I know you guys want to see my room. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit that big red button down below to join this amazing community, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so we are here in my warehouse room. I do want to mention I was not in here like I said before. I was actually in my other room. This used to be my YouTube recording room, but I had to make the switch. I'm just going to show you guys how my warehouse was when I first started Denvy, and this is the clip of the other room. Okay, so that is how my room used to look. So now I definitely upgraded. As you can see, I have so much more space. But I do want to mention the first top that I had on in the beginning was part of a Denvy set. And this is also all Denvy. This hoodie is sold separately from the joggers, even though it looks like it's a matching set. But we have this in black, white, and purple. So if you guys want to check them out. And for the full month of November, everything is 20% off in my store. So check us out at shopdenvy.com. But back to the inventory room. So I do want to start with this. This right here is super important to me. This is actually a map of each state that I've made a purchase in. Every time I get a state, I just scratch it off. My mom bought this for me. I actually had like a little piece of paper that I was coloring in. She said that looked too cheapy, so she got me the real thing. So if you do see your state here and it's not scratched off, help a girl out, make an order so I can scratch it out. My goal is 25 before the end of the year, so let's cross our fingers. So now next, here I have just the clothing that I have in lint rolled, steamed, and prepped for our baggies to go in the storage bin. And now this table I actually bought from Walmart. I have a desk, but it just wasn't big enough. This here, when I have orders, I actually get everything lined up, have the invoices, have the bags ready. So this table is a must, especially if you have like a clothing brand like I do. I would get a long table just to do all your orders on. So when I don't have any orders, then this turns into my workspace. So I love this table, definitely a thumbs up. And then over here, you can see this is where I have all like my craft stuff, my stickers. I have this frame here, Denvy. My best friend gave this to me for my birthday. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Erica. So this is something that I found on Pinterest. I just wanted to make it a little bit more spicy. I didn't just want to make one boring shelf. So I really like my black and white layout. Here I have like different papers. I have labels for my clothes. I have my baggies. These are my bubbled baggies. They are biodegradable. This is like if you buy jewelry and stuff. So I got those from Amazon. And I got cotton bags also for like orders. These are all recycled. So yeah, so pretty much everything here, as you can see, is just my packaging stuff. Also my purses are stored here, all my hang bags. And then these baggies actually come free with each bra purchase, and I'll show you what I mean with that. So this is my little dust bags. I absolutely love them. I am going to get them bigger for my purses. Originally they were for my purses, but as you can see, they're way too small. So yeah, so this is pretty much all my packaging stuff. I got this from Walmart, if you guys want to check it out. From Home Depot, I 100%, if you're doing clothing, I wouldn't recommend doing a clothing rack just because like it gets so disorganized. I 100% would recommend the storage bins, and as you can see here, I just label everything, and then as I sell them, I just scratch it out and I put new sizes and stuff like that. So that's just a way for me to keep up with my inventory, especially if someone's helping me do orders. They can just see where things are. It's easy for them, and bada bing bada boom, there's no mistakes. So everything in here is packaged, labeled, and ready to go. And then up here I have my booties, I have all my shoes there, and yeah, and what I love about this, if I have a photo shoot and I have to like leave, I don't like to just have my clothes hanging because then I'll get hair and stuff. I actually like that I can package the clothing in the storage bin, take it, and call it a day. So if you have storage bins, it's a must. So then over here, this is just like my calendar. These are invoices that I have to mark in my binder. There's just like stuff that I'm bringing in, supplies that I need, and then my little bulletin board. So that's just like business stuff that I have. And then here, for my business owners out there, Solo printer is a must. I have it set up on this table just because it does have a big label thing here and it takes up way too much room. These labels are also eco-friendly for those of you that are wondering. And then I have my little business cards here. So yeah, so now I have my closet in here. Pretty much I have all my coats in here, and I also have like long sets that would drag. I wouldn't want to put over there. So all my coats are in here. My boxes to ship out, my accessories are in here, and then these are the bras that I was talking about. These are the bras that come with the dust bags for free, so it's very packaged very nicely. I absolutely love these. So I have all my bras here. I have my steamer there, just like extra shipping stuff. And then I have my tissue paper. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but that's what I use to ship all my packages in. And yeah, and then this is pretty much my closet. And then this is my bags that I use to ship out packages. They're made out of corn, so they're 100% composable. They roll out if I need them to. If not, I could just put them back in and call it a day. And that's just more supplies for my sunglasses and stuff. That's one thing I love about this room, is that I have the closet because the coats were gonna get in the way of the other room. So this is just perfect. Okay guys, and that's pretty much it. This is my Denvy warehouse room. Thank you for coming and thank you for visiting. I really love how I have everything. It definitely goes with the flow. I love how organized everything is and how much space I have. So yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. And if you're thinking about starting a business, 100% just do it. It is worth it, and I'm telling you, you can do it all as long as you believe in yourself. So I really hope you guys have a great day, and stay tuned for my next video, which will be a Denvy haul. I will be trying on some of my favorite pieces so you guys can check them out. And yeah, don't forget, everything is 20% off right now in stores. So I hope you guys have a great day, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.